with the topic. Hi, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Hello.
Hello, this is Islam. I'm from Ukilpura. I'd like to ask you some question. Would you mind
No.
answering? Okay. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Akiba Habab Nahi, and I'm from Hapnaganao.
Why are you here?
I'm here to learn English.
Have you admitted yourself?
Yes, I have.
Is there any course to learn English?
Yes, Cyprus is the only school in Noga that where we could learn English properly. Because at school, at academic learning, we cannot learn English properly. Because
Okay.
there are only grammars out of there.
Okay. How many days have you passed here after coming here? I think we are speaking loudly and very spontaneously. Would you kindly say me something? Can we admit ourselves as an English, as a student?
Yes, I've come here almost 15 to 20 days, and by 15 or 20 days, I think I've learned more than I've learned. What I have learned, I think I've never learned in my whole life. Because in 15 or 20 days, I've learned a lot of things, and just why I could speak English properly.
Okay, thank you. Will it be very fruitful for the students who are living in different school, government school, such as Zila school, Kiri school, girls school? Would you like to invite them?
Yes, I would like to invite them because they are good at English, I know, but only at grammars or writing. But they are poor at other branches. But at Cyprus we could learn